Hello, this is Adam with Infant Toddler Youth and Car Seat Quickie, and in today's video we're going to show you how to install the Uppababy Aria Base using the lap and shoulder belt. Now remember, this is a general installation video. Installing it in this car is not going to be the same in every vehicle. So make sure that you check the manual of your car seat and your vehicle to make sure you're doing everything correctly and following all the rules of your specific car seat vehicle combination. So let's begin. Before we attach anything, this Aria Base has a load leg which should be used. This is considered an extra safety feature and we always want to use it whenever possible. To get the leg out, there is a button near the bottom. We're going to push it, the leg is going to pop out, and we're going to remove it from the bottom of the base. Now the Uppababy Aria Base has indicators all over the car seat, and we need to make sure all the indicators are in the right spot. There's a tightness indicator here. It's a window that turns red and green if it's tight enough or not. There's a leveling device, so depending on the baby's age, the bubble has to be in a certain position. And then there's the indicator windows on the leg to let you know the leg is facing the right direction and also completely flat on the ground. The first indicator we're going to work on is the leveling device, because we can actually adjust this before we install the car seat, so that way we don't have to change it later. What you want to do is you want to make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat. You're going to push down on the base, and you can actually see where the bubble is going to end up. Because I'm installing this for a newborn, I want to make sure the bubble is in this small range here that is for 0 to 4 months. The way to change this angle is right on the center of the base. There is a gray tab here that has an up and down arrow. This controls the recline of the base. So as soon as I lift it up, the angle here changes. And we need to adjust it so that the bubble is going to end up in the right spot, right in the 0 to 4 month range. So right now it looks good, but we will keep an eye on it. Next, we're going to work on the tightness indicator. Right now the window is red because the car seat's not installed yet, but it will also be red if the car seat has loosened up or is still loose. We want to make sure the window here is always all green. Now on the car seat, the two ways to install this are color-coded. Everything orange on the base is for a latch installation, while everything blue on the base is for a seatbelt installation. So we're going to open up this lock-off device. There's 2 layers. We're going to grab our lap and shoulder. We're going to go underneath the handlebar. We're going to follow the blue belt path here. We're going to go underneath the second handlebar. And then we are going to buckle in. Okay, make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat. We can now begin to tighten. What you want to do is you want to grab the shoulder belt only, leave the lap belt up against the base, and as you're pulling away from the seatbelt buckle, your other hand is applying weight to the base. And you want to go from one corner to the next. So side to side. Whenever you feel like the seatbelt is tight enough, don't let go yet. You first need to close the lock off. There we go. Make sure the car seat is straightened. With one hand, you grab the chair from either side, and all you're looking for is less than 1 inch of movement. You also have your tightness indicator here. Right now, this window is all green, so that should let us know that the car seat's already snug. Now, car seats will loosen up over time, so it's very important to check this occasionally. If this window ever turns red, all you're going to do is grab your shoulder belt again, open the lock-off device, reapply weight to the base as you're tightening the seatbelt again, and then you're closing it. So remember, no car seat installation is a permanent installation. All right, so we got green. We have our bubble still in the right range for a newborn. Now the last thing we have to adjust is going to be the load leg. The window on top of the leg will let us know that the leg is facing the right direction. So they don't want the leg to just go straight down to the ground. The leg should be at an angle facing the front. To get rid of the red at the bottom, we have to extend the leg so it's completely flat on the floor. Right behind the leg here where my finger is, there's actually a gray button. If you push it, the leg will unlock and come down to the floor. And then we're gonna pull the bottom part of the leg down. You're gonna hear a clicking sound. That'll let you know it's locking at the bottom here. And once we have no red showing, we know that the leg is in the right position. So all of our indicator windows are pretty much looking good. So we know the car seat is installed correctly. And I'll say it again, installations are not permanent. If you see anything looking off, you will need to adjust it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.